Hi, I want to create a short video explaining how to show an object outside of our view range. Sometimes, for some reason, we don't have the option to bring up our view range, so we don't have to show something unnecessary. For example, there is a window that we really need to show on our floor plan. This is a window right above our kitchen. So, Step 1. Go to the View tab. Step 2. Open the Plan Views category and choose the Plan region. Then choose the Plan region boundary and place it right above your kitchen. Click Finish and then open the View Range editor and then put right here the right one, View Range. Here we go. Good luck with your project.